Hello, America. It's Richard P. Noggin, Redneck Repairman Extraordinaire Esquire. Well, me and Billy Bob Goldberg was thinking, we need to tell you the proper beer for the proper repair technician. When you're doing a appliance repair, you got to make sure you got the proper beer. Okay, so I got me some examples here. First of all, we got us beer. This is your normal size beer when you're doing a, let's say, dishwasher, microwave job. So it doesn't enough to keep you going while you get through it. Now, if you're going to do something a whole lot bigger, like say a washer, dryer, or something like that, you need a big beer. Okay? Now, preferential beers, I like cold. Everything else is kind of, well, it works, but I like cold beer myself. Okay? Now, when you're doing really good jobs, like the refrigerators and the stoves and stuff, we have us the XXX beer. We call that our lemonade. A little more on that a little bit later. So, but you got to be careful with this one, because you get too close to open flame breathing with this one, it's going to light your day up nicely. Okay, so you got to be careful. So make sure you don't want a big beer when you're doing a small job. You want a small beer for a small job, big beer for a big job. Okay, now, me and my friend Bill Bob Goldberg, we was thinking one day that we like lemonade. Y'all know we like the lemonade. Well, them fellers at Lynchburg decided to go all frou-frou and stop making their lemonade, so we decided we was going to make our own lemonade. We need your help. Y'all Americans need to tell us, are we going to call this Billy Bob's Brew or Goat Roper Gas? We need your help letting us figure this out. So don't forget to let us know what you want. And we're going to have us our own lemonade. We're going to call it that Lynchburg stuff. We haven't figured out what the other part name is, but it's either Billy Bob's Brew or Goat Roper Gas. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and let us know what you want, because we're going to come up with some good brews for you guys. Have a wonderful day and be safe this year. 2020, 2022 is a good year. You might even meet Billy Bob. I might talk him and get in front of the camera too, so you never know what may happen this year. Have a wonderful day.